Alright, hello, welcome back to the fifth video. In this one right here, we will cover how you can record the dialogue lines. And after that, we are going to fuzz up our voice files, and in the end, after that, we are going to place our NPC. And after that, the only thing that we'll have to do is create our SEQ file, which I'm also going to show you how to do that. And then once you've done these couple of things, you can go in game and then you can talk to your companion and everything should work. Okay, so let's get started now. I'm going to show you how you can add a voice line to, for example, this one right here. It's overall it's exactly the same thing. Alright, then I'll wait here. So if you are making a guy, for example, and you're a guy yourself and you're gonna voice your companion, one thing you could do is once you open this up here, you're gonna go down here and you see this thing right here, right? This is overall gonna be the name of the voice file that the creation kit is gonna give it. You cannot unfortunately change this, but so yeah, there's that. You kind of have to keep track of this, but it'll all be fine. Because if you go here and you click on record, of course you will have to set up your recording device, which in my case right here is my mic here that I'm using, which is the default device. I think it should always actually select the default device, but you can click on configure here, then capture device. You can select whatever. In my case I have my headset here and my mic I'm using right now. So in my case I would just pick my mic and then I would hit OK, and this leave it as it is. So now if we want the alright, then I'll wait here. We could just click here and click on record, so I'm gonna do that. Of course I'm not a girl, but never mind, you get the point. Alright then, I'll wait here. Alright, and now that's done, you can click on save, and it's gonna say WAV yes, lib file yes, because for some reason actually it already right away creates the lib file. However, if it doesn't do it, I just recommend overall that you select it, click on from WAV, and then generate lib files. So if we OK out, and you go to your Skyrim folder right here and you go to sound voice, here it will generate the voice file that we just created under the name of the ESP right here. Of course I have made you this folder right here, but later on you can rename your ESP and stuff to whatever you want. But you will also obviously need to change the name of the folder here then, of course, because, yeah. So in this case, the ESP is called Alex's Companion Framework, blah, 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 do-it-yourself custom standalone companion. So in this case, it's going to be under sound. Let me close Chrome. So in this case, it's going to be under sound, voice, and then Alex's Companion, blah, 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 .esp. And it's going to be in a subfolder called the same way than our voice file in the editor. So this is going to be the editor name we gave it. So if we open up this thing right here, we're going to find two files, the .lib file and the .wef file. The .wef file is the sound file, and the .lib file is the file that overall tells the game, okay, now and then the character moves his lips. So if we were to open this, let's see. Alright then, I'll wait here. So as we can see, that recorded. And we also have the lib file. So one thing that you will be able to do as well is that when you record and after you hit save and stuff, you overall can preview this. However, see, I'm clicking on it but I don't hear it. That's because I have changed something here. Wait. One reason why Creation Kit crashes a lot is because it has the sound enabled, which I don't even know what the hell that's for, but it is in the ini file. It's called enable audio. I've set it to 0 because actually if it is enabled, for some reason Creation Kit crashes a lot, but I suggest you leave it at 0 so you will get less crashes, but of course this will then prevent you from listening to this, from previewing this. So you will probably not have this set up this way, so you will be totally fine. You will be able to click on preview and you will be able to listen to it. However, one thing that I did, for example, was I just recorded stuff for Arngear, and then afterwards, once I had the raw thing from Creation Kit done, because this actually has noise from the mic in it. Once I had all of this done, if I had this one here, for example, when I clicked on it, alright then, I'll wait here. Alright then, I'll wait here. Okay, so I knew that. So what I did was I opened it up with Audacity and I re-recorded it. I filtered out the noise and everything, you know, and then afterwards I just simply exported it back in here and then under the same name, so I replaced this. And that's overall how I did it. If you are concerned about not recording it the exact same way and then the lib file being slightly different, what you can do afterwards is, once you have your right one in here, you can go back into Creation Kit, blah blah blah, go to the voice file itself. Of course you don't need to re-record it if you have put your clean, nice, new edited one in there, and you just, here you're gonna select from WAV and then just the lib files, so it's gonna regenerate the lib files for the clean one that's actually in here. So that's how that works. So after you've done it for everything, you can open up Unfuzzer or Unfuser, I still don't know how the hell it's called, and you can select here where it says folder to parse, blah blah blah, 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 well, yeah, for me that's the directory, but if you click on it, it's gonna open up this box. So let's go to our game folder, use data, sound, this. Now let's select our voice folder. Overall you only have to navigate to wherever these files are. So once we have done that, you just select it, and then you do make sure the process.lib files is checked, and then you just do refuzz. So it takes any WEF or XWM files and it converts them into fuzz files. Well, actually it goes from WEF to XWM and then to fuzz. I don't know exactly how it works, but I only know that it actually works. So if you click on this, it's gonna say, okay, finished one WEF file process successfully. And now, if we take a look at this, we can see in here that there's only one fuzz file left. The WEF, the .wef and .lib files are gone, and it's all inside of this one right here. You will only need this one. There's nothing wrong with having loose lib files and loose .wef files, but I recommend you do this because I think that this actually also compresses them, so overall your companion will have a smaller size and, you know, it's less loose files. You know, you can't go wrong with that. So that's it for this. And now I think I will probably now make a separate video now, you know, because we only now need to place our NPC and stuff, you know, and there are a couple more things there that I can explain about that. So yeah, see you in the next one then. I'm gonna show you in the next one now how you can place your NPC, and also afterwards how you can fill the properties more easily. So yeah, see you in the next one.